everybody, and I want to welcome you back to my channel. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe for updates. Today we are going to be making an oil cleanser. Now, why an oil cleanser, you might ask? Because it is very good for the skin. Oil cleansing unclogs our pores and it helps to control blackheads and breakouts. It also helps to remove dead skin and makeup. It moisturizes and it balances oily skin. We're going to start today by making just a 3-ingredient oil cleanser. Very simple, nothing complicated. All you're going to need are your oils, perhaps a measuring cup. I use a chopstick for stirring, a funnel for pouring my oil, and a bottle to put our finished product in. Today the oils we're going to be using are castor oil, jojoba oil, and I have a very large jug of grapeseed oil. The reason why we are going to be using those oils today is that they are very nourishing, economical, and easy to find oils, and they're great for most skin types. So a lot of people do not react to these oils. Let's start by putting our formulation together. And we first start with the cleansing oil, which is the castor oil. Now we use castor oil because castor oil is very good at deep cleaning. The ratio for your oil cleanser is going to be approximately 20, 50, 30. If you're using a 100 ml bottle, I have around a 100 ml bottle here, you want it to be 20% castor oil. Any more than that, and castor oil, of course, now starts to dry the skin. With that castor oil, we are going to add grapeseed oil. So why oil cleansing? Well, oil cleansing protects our skin. Look at that beautiful green in that grapeseed oil. And don't worry, your skin won't turn green. The oil protects your skin by keeping it soft and moisturized. Traditional cleansers can be harsh on the skin, stripping the face of its natural oils and of good and bad bacteria. That's why oil cleansing is so important. The next oil we're going to add is our jojoba oil. You can use about 30% of this. With a luxurious oil like jojoba, you can get by with about 20% of the oil. And from here, we are just going to stir our mixture. Make sure it's all incorporated. If you want to add a scent here, you can. I personally do not add scents to my oil cleansers. I add the scent to my facial oil when I'm going to moisturize. I always like to put the oil on my hand and just rub it into the skin. Oh, feels great. I add the scents to my facial cleansers, whether it be bergamot or lavender or frankincense. So I avoid using a scent in my oil cleanser, but in case you want to use one, that's fine. Try to stick to essential oil, so perhaps a rose oil, a lavender, like I mentioned before, bergaptine-free bergamot, or frankincense. So from here, we are ready to pour our oil cleanser into our bottle. So we just get our bottle and our funnel and we just pour it in. Okay. After we have poured our oil into the bottle, we are ready to cap it. So here we have my brand new dispenser. Stick it in and cap it. And there we are. We have our oil cleanser. If you have a label, you can add a label to it. You can personalize your creation by perhaps adding a sticker. And I have some Myra Asa stickers here, like that. So here we go. And you are ready to use your oil cleanser. To use your oil cleanser, and I'm going to use the back of my hand as an example, you want to add a few squirts onto the skin, and then you want to rub it on. So you rub it onto your skin. It's a very nice feeling, very luxurious oil. Enjoy the experience here. Rub it onto your skin, cleaning deeply. And then you want to take a damp towel, and then you want to just wipe the oil off like that. There you go. And what you will be left with is just a nice moisturized skin. Now, if you find your face needs it, You can add a moisturizer after this, or you can leave it. How often should you use your oil cleanser? Well, start with using it 2 to 3 times a week, and if your face responds well to it, then you can start using it nightly. Here we go. This is our 3-ingredient oil cleanser. If you do make it, let me know how you like it. If you have any questions or any comments, please write it down below, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscription button.